I thought this one is Clark Quay is there.
Yes, that's right.
That the bridge is Clark Quay, right? Near behind.
Yeah, pretty much. On the other side of the bridge is Kaki. So from here, this where we are to the bridge, there's this boat key, and the other side of the bridge is Kaki.
Let's go. This is like old
Yeah.
street, no?
Yeah, all these are preserved buildings, original buildings. If you look at old historical pictures of Singapore,
Yeah.
this part all looks the same.
Nice, no?
Look, last time all the boats bringing in goods were the main lifeblood of Singapore. And these are all the warehouses.
Then now become restaurant.
Yeah. So all the laborers would unload the boats and put it into the warehouses.
Where's the boat?
No more. I mean, they were all here last time.
During pandemic, no more here, right?
Say again.
During the pandemic, don't have any more. This like crowd.
Yeah, but now things are coming back, so it's good.
Back to normal.
To the live seafood.
Live seafood. Lobster.
Yeah,
You eat lobster?
of course, who doesn't? But I don't have the financial appetite to eat lobster.
Financial appetite. You know, in the Philippines, that when I was young,
Yeah.
that
You're
is
still
free.
Was that free?
Yeah.
How come?
Because there's my uncle is fisherman, and then they give us
Oh.
like that. Then I was also the crab, shrimp, they're free because we have fish pond. My father have a fish pond. So for us, it's free.
So you ate plenty of seafood back then?
Yes, when I
And
was
now?
very hard,
Why?
very seldom, expensive, no?
But how come he
No,
doesn't
na
give you free anyway? He retired already.
in the Philippines, it's no more already.
How come? What has changed? Why not?
Because my father go to the city. Just long straight, no? All bars and restaurant. Some not open yet. He also vlogging.
What's that?
The guy taking video and talking, he also vlogging.
Oh,
I think he
keep it in.
when I last come here, that bridge is colorful. They changed the color.
Oh,
It was colorful.
maybe that's unlikely, dear. Maybe you it looks similar to something else that you've seen.
Ah, okay.
I think it's very unlikely that they will paint this bridge. No,
Oh, I think
because these are all very important national monuments. So they wouldn't just anyhow paint it.
Oh, we're not yet in the Clarky. Yeah, I just Clarky. See?
Maybe after we go under
There?
this, after we
Sign.
go under this underpass,
Yeah.
then it'll be more fun. But this area in the middle, I don't really know what it's called.